Creative climate change, creating art out of plastic waste.
Not stick, but we will try. Because it's a very small surface area, but we will. So we have a variety of different waste materials here, all from the scrap store. And we're looking at how we can use this to create some sculptures. So we're looking specifically at plastic waste and how obviously we overly use it in today's society and it can become a big environmental problem. So we're thinking about how art can be used as a way to raise awareness. It can be used to show how it could be given a second lease of life, but also how we can turn it into something that can be quite sculptural and help make people think and talk about how they use waste and how it can be seen in a different way. We've got lots of amazing.
Starting with a conversation about plastic.
So why do you think it's important then that artists produce art that makes people think and talk about climate change? Why is that important?
Because it makes people realise that they shouldn't be polluting and they should actually save it.
So
if
by
they didn't, then they wouldn't really realise.
So as artists, you have a really important job because you can do so much. You can create art that's beautiful.
Make people think.
But you can make people think and make people change their actions.
That sounds like brainwashing.
Well, it depends if you're doing it for a good reason. You're doing it in a nice way. You're not telling people what they should think. They come to their own conclusions by thinking themselves.
You make something that makes loads of people think.
And talk. Have a conversation, and that, like we're having a conversation now, and we've thought about loads of things that we should do, and that's what art can do. So I've got lots of scrap materials here. Some of it's from our homes, like things that you've seen from your home.
Like plastic bottles.
Like plastic bottles.
Using materials from your home.
Make
So some of this material you might have at home.
Materials from the scrap store.
So all these bits are donated from factories and organisations that have just got waste that they need to get rid of. And this would have been waste cut out, so something that needed holes in it, and that's all the waste residue. There's lots of plastic lids of storage bottles.
What can you make?
I made a castle.
Is that the princess castle?
Yeah, but I want
A bit more. So I'm making a fighter jet. It's fun. I'm making it out of my plastic like straw thing, taking like this foam bit. So
Creativity with a message.
So this is like a factory, and it's like there's bad CO2 gases coming out of it, and then this is like the polar bear, and it's stuck on an ice that's melting in the ocean because of global warming. And then this is just it's a turtle, and it has like plastic all around it, and it's to show awareness, it's to give awareness about the different forms of pollution that are destroying our planet, so that people can stop the pollution.
Reflecting on change, from small changes to the bigger picture.
Any small changes you can make obviously do have a huge impact. So just, especially when we're looking at plastic, think about when you buy things, if you can
reduce plastic.
Yeah, if you can use less of it. I mean, they've banned plastic bags from shops and straws, but as a consumer, if we can buy less, that will make a massive difference. And in terms of nature as well, litter picking is a big thing. That's just kind of, I just do now. If you see litter, I've got some litter pickers, I just pick it up. And although it seems really small, you know, animals do pick it up, they do eat it, it does make them very sick. So I think also it rubs off on other people. So taking that back to families and friends and having that discussion about why plastic's bad or what we can do to make the environment more nature friendly and less human impacted will make a huge difference. You guys can be real big role models for change.